Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can upload private story on your Snapchat account. At first go to Snapchat, then click on your profile, and then you see here it says my story, and then tap on this new story, and then it says two options. So if you want to create a private one, click on new private story, and then it shows the list of people who are your friends or with whom you want to just access the story to. Suppose I want to just show it to this person, so I'll tap on that and then go to create story, and then suppose name it to whatever you want, priv story, and then save. And then you see it has a new option called add to priv story, and it shows the name of the person to whom you can share it with. And when you tap on it, you can click something and then go to post. Once it's done and you click on it, only the person that you added will be able to see it. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.